Today I'm going to walk you through how to create a completely custom WordPress FSE block theme from scratch. By the end of this video, you'll not only have hands-on experience building your very own block-based WordPress theme, but you'll also understand all the moving parts that make your design unique and flexible. If you've ever wanted to launch a site that truly stands out, or just want full control over every aspect of your layout and style, this is the best way to do it. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need a tool that takes all the heavy lifting out of theme creation. In this case, it's the Create Block Theme plugin. So head over to your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, click Add New, and search for Create Block Theme. When you find it, just click Install, wait for it to finish, and then activate. The reason we're starting here is that this plugin is the official, recommended way to spin up a block theme that works perfectly with full site editing, and it handles a lot of the background steps that used to be pretty technical. Once the plugin is active, we'll use it to generate a totally blank theme. This is like getting a blank canvas, completely empty, ready for your creative vision. Go to Appearance, then click on Create Block Theme. From the options, select Create Blank Theme. You can give your theme a name, maybe something for your project or just my custom theme, whatever works for you. When you click Create, WordPress puts together all the core files your theme needs, and it activates your new theme automatically. Now you're not working off a child theme or modifying someone else's work. This is truly your own. Now on to the fun stuff, customizing your theme's look and feel. Let's start with colors and fonts, which are managed right inside the site editor. Go to Appearance Editor, and on the right-hand menu you'll see Styles. Click into that, and here you can set your color palette, like your main brand colors, background shades, or accent colors. Also, choose your preferred fonts for headings and body text. Think of styles like painting the walls and deciding on the vibe. Is it bold, clean, playful? Setting these here means your whole site uses the colors and typography you choose, creating that polished, professional consistency visitors notice immediately. Spend a few moments playing with combos or referencing a design guide if you have one. Don't worry if you change your mind later, it's easy to update. With your base styles set, it's time to start designing your unique layouts with block templates. In the site editor, you can create templates like your homepage, blog archive page, or custom landing pages. Each template is made up of blocks like headers, footers, post lists, or unique call-to-action sections. Think of templates as the actual rooms of your website, house, and blocks are the furniture you arrange and rearrange. Drag, drop, experiment, and preview often to see how everything fits together. Don't rush, sometimes you'll want to sketch layouts first or look at finished sites for inspiration. Once you're happy with how things look, it's time to export everything you've done so far as a theme zip file. Back in the Create Block Theme panel, choose the Export option. This will bundle up all your custom styles, templates, and settings into a single file. This is useful for backing up your work, moving your theme to another site, or even starting to share your theme with others. But there's more real pros like to tweak under the hood. So take your exported zip, unzip it on your computer, and open up the files in your favorite code editor. Here you can make direct edits like adjusting the theme.json for even more advanced styling rules or tweaking template parts for custom behavior. It can get technical, but having this flexibility is what separates a truly custom theme from just another template. Don't worry if some code looks intimidating. A little trial and error goes a long way. After tweaking, you can repeat from creating block templates again, iterate, refine, and rebuild as needed. This back and forth is how designers and developers polish their themes to perfection. And there you have it, a complete overview of building your own WordPress FSE block theme from scratch. If you found this walkthrough helpful, hit that like button, leave a comment if you have any questions or tips of your own, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.